This video is about my experience selling my lens to Calumet Photo in Germany, and it was not a pleasant experience. Hello everybody, it's Haj here. Calumet kept sending me emails inviting me to review them, so here it is then. In summary, I will not recommend Calumet's purchase and trade-in service because the process takes too long and their service is not reliable and unprofessional. Calumet Photo is one of the biggest retailers of photographic gears in Germany, and they sell new and used gears, but also offer various photo-related services, including then purchase and trade-in of used gears. After I bought my 800mm f5.6 FL lens, I started to think about selling the 600mm f4, and I decided to give Calumet a try. That was on the 4th of March. Keep track of the date because it is important in this review. The beginning of the process was quick and straightforward. Just need to click on the purchase and trade-in link in the service section at the bottom of their main website. Fill in the form about the gear you want to sell, the gear you want to buy if you plan to do a trade-in, and your contact details, of course. I received my initial provisionary code the day after, which is then the 5th of March, and it kind of gives a false hope that the whole process will be quick, easy, and smooth. The code seemed fair, but I wanted to clarify things before I send in the lens, because my 600mm f4 does not have the original second part of the lens wood. This second part is not the original one. I made it out of a PVC tube. The customer service was friendly and say that the price will drop accordingly, which is understandable. Unfortunately, they could not say for how much before they inspect the lens. So I sent the lens on the same day, and they confirmed receiving it on the 8th of March. In the confirmation email though, I also received my first surprise that the lens inspection will take up to 2 weeks, and the final offer will be issued after the inspection. I think 2 weeks is quite long, and they should have mentioned that on their purchase and trade-in page. Anyway, I received the final quote on the 18th of March, a bit quicker than they predicted, 10 days instead of 2 weeks. The final offer was 630 euro less than the original quote. Their argument was that they need to buy a new full lens wood for the lens. And by the way, lesson learned, do not lose the lens wood of your big frame lenses because it costs more than the price of a kit lens. Anyway, I called them to clarify the offer. I tried to negotiate that my lens at least have one part of the lens wood, but that did not help because according to them, they can only purchase a full lens wood. Therefore, they deducted then the price of a full lens wood from the original quote. I accepted the offer with the condition that they will then send me back my lens wood, which I think is fair. And the customer service accepted the term. On the 25th of March, 17 days after I shipped the lens then, the money finally arrived in my bank account, but I did not receive further information about the lens hood. So I decided to drop them an email asking about where the lens hood is. And the next business day, which is on the 25th of March, I received an email that they could not get a new lens hood for the lens. And because they cannot sell the lens without lens hood, they decided to keep my lens hood without paying for it, and they hope that I'm okay with that. I mean, of course I'm not okay. What do they think? That was not what we agreed with. It is shocking that they changed the deal without letting me know first. Also, it feels like they would have never informed me about that change if I did not contact them. I was obviously not happy, and I called again then the customer service, and they apologized. I accepted the apologies. However, I said well, if they want to keep my lens hood, then they should pay for it. I think that is fair. Of course, I would not have waited for the full price of the new lens hood, but at least something. Unfortunately, they say the offer is final. They cannot offer more, so I decided then to ask for my lens back. We agreed that I will refund the money, and they will send the lens back to me once they receive the refund. So I transferred the money on that same day of the 25th of March. 10 days later, on the 5th of April, still no news from them, so I decided to drop them an email asking if they received the money and if they already shipped the lens back to me. And on that same day, they confirmed that they received the money and they will send the lens back to me on the next business day, which is then the 8th of April. Again, it feels like they would not have done so unless I contacted them. I was reunited with my lens on the 9th of April. Thumbs up for the super fast DHL delivery. I ended up then without the lens for 1 month and 14 days in total. I would not recommend the purchase and trade-in service of Calumet, and I will never sell my gears to them again because of the long process, their unreliability and unprofessionalism. And that's it for this video. Until next time then. Bye!